This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for field piece, Bacharach, and tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Morning guys, June 17th, 2019. This one here, I got a call for the air conditioning in a guy's house not working.
Then take the first left.
Older Portuguese guy, says his air conditioner's not working. Might need Freon, he says. So you know what that means, it's an old piece of shit system. Been milking it for years, probably.
Then take the first right.
Milking it along for years, mama.
Ohio Street.
You change these filters regularly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, so that's fine. There's only one filter?
Yeah.
Oh.
Only one reverse, right?
Well, we'll see.
That's the reverse.
We'll see what happens. Alright.
That's the one, that's for the heater.
That's for the cooling.
It's cooling.
You gotta put it on cooling. Say cool on.
Oh, I thought that's that one over there.
Well, maybe it is. I don't know. Which one is it? It's the other one?
That one over there. This one is for the heater. That's the one.
Alright. How do you turn on a cooling there? Alright, here we go, man. Alright, so that's cooling, automatic. Alright, so the indoor fan's running. We'll check it outside. So this one's just heat. This one's just for heat.
This
Yeah.
for the heat.
All right.
That's the first heater. Perfect.
Oh, it's a micro channel.
Huh?
It's a micro channel, Coleman.
No good?
Yeah, it's low on Freon, guaranteed. We'll see. Micro channel.
Yeah.
You've been putting gas in it every year? You've been putting Freon in it?
I put a last year.
Last year.
I called the guy and the guy said, you have a leak.
You got a leak for sure, yeah.
So, I told him, you gotta find the leak. He said, no, you're gonna spend money, maybe I'm not gonna find the leak.
It's probably, it could be in here or upstairs.
Yeah, that's what I want to find out. The leak is upstairs, last year. I don't know nothing about air conditions.
Right. So he added Freon to it, basically. Let me get my gauges on. I guarantee it's low on gas. I know that.
Yeah, but
We'll check it. We'll check it.
each other.
Yeah, she's a leaker. See that 41 right there? That should be about 70. So
70?
you're low on Freon. This right here, superheat, should be around 15. See how it's at 656? And that right there should be about 10. See how low it is? It's low on Freon. And I guarantee it's either this coil or the coil upstairs. It's an older unit, R22. How old's the system?
I don't know.
I could put Freon in it, get you going. I mean, you ain't gonna fix this. This is a micro channel. You're not gonna fix this thing. You want cooling?
You cannot find the leak.
Even if I find it and it's in here, I can't fix it.
You gotta be a new one.
Be a brand new unit.
And it works with the thing upstairs.
This is an older one. I'd have to look at that. This is an R20. This is an R22. It's the same kind of piece of shit as this Coleman. Same thing. That's like a York. She's definitely low on Freon. It's gonna ice up.
It could be upstairs too.
Could be anywhere. Could be in the piping. Could be in these refrigerant valves. You know. Usually it's an old system. This is the old R22 right here, refrigerant. I kind of don't really like trying to play around with this old stuff, especially when it's a micro channel like this. If it's leaking in here, you can't fix it. You need another unit. And you can't buy this with the R22 anymore. You got to get the new stuff, 410A.
The new unit gonna be exactly like that.
No, it ain't gonna be like that. No, because this is the R22 that they stopped production on. Your boy Obama trying to save the planet. Your boy Obama tried to save the planet, did away with the R22.
It's no good for the planet.
No, it's got chlorine in there. You know, like chlorine, like you use for bleach. It's got a little bit of chlorine in there.
But if I put a new one over here, it's not going to work with the system on the other. Gonna be a new one up there too?
Should be matching equipment, new stuff. You know?
If they put a new one over here, a new one up there.
That's the best way. It's gonna be a lot. You better sit down.
Before I...
You want me to put Freon in it or not?
Yes.
Let me put some Freon in it, get you cooling, and then we'll worry about the rest of it. But you ain't gonna fix this thing today. Got the subcoolant way down.
Huh?
Subcoolant's way down.
What do you think?
Oh, it's definitely got a leak.
I can pull up, yeah?
Definitely got a leak.
Yeah, that's for sure. Where that thing goes. Do I have Freon for the rest of the summer, or will we chug before the end of the summer?
No guarantees. I'm saying I'll put gas in it now. I ain't guaranteeing it's gonna last all summer. Did it last all summer last year?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it was 40. It wasn't down 20 or 10. If it was, I wouldn't put any in it.
There's stuff to do this thing.
When we're done, we'll pull this cover off and see if we see any leaks. Alright, again, wear the can out, but we're good there, about 20 degrees superheat. Somebody's been making a nest in there. Let me pull the top off and spray it and see if we can find this junk. See if we can find the leak in this junk. Over there, it's kind of oily. See the oil stain? Can you see it's kind of oily down there?
Yeah.
Can you see it's kind of different oily over there? That coil? Can you see it?
Yeah.
That's where your leak is. Well, that's one leak. See it down there? I could get it from the outside too. The problem is this is a 22 system. I mean, you're gonna just replace the outside unit? Don't really make sense. See it? That oil stain over there? There's your leak right there. She's a leaker. Well, you got gas for now, I mean. I did check all the connections when I log on there. It's leaking from the coil. Micro channel. Embrace the technology.